I'm James Istre. I'm the RNC sales manager for the Carolinas. And right now in the Carolinas, we are in Charlotte and surrounding areas, as well as Raleigh. So we're one of the largest residential new construction HVAC companies in the nation. We do residential new construction. So you have residential and you have commercial. We don't do much commercial, but all residential in this area. We have multiple divisions, 4 in Texas, 4 in Ohio, Northern Virginia, DC area. We even have a division in Canada, Tennessee, and Indianapolis. So we're kind of spread out and growing. I'm the sales manager for the Carolinas. So when a builder such as True Homes, they need their heating and air conditioning throughout their homes that they're building. So they would contact me and say, hey, we've got this new development and we want you to bid on it and tell us how much is it going to cost for you guys to come in and do the heating and air conditioning for these particular plans that True Homes is doing. But we put those bids in, True Homes evaluates them, and then they let me know. And then once we win the bid in that community, then we get started with True Homes. So I move forward with us getting scheduling on our end to make sure that we can do that for True Homes when they're ready. Primarily, I'm working with the purchasing agents, with builders, but I have to be fairly technical in making sure that we're putting the right equipment in homes and coordinating a lot of that. And if there's any issues or bumps along the way, I get notified so that I can put the right people in place so we can get taken care of. Before I got into heating and air conditioning, I was in the Marine Corps and I worked on aircraft for the Marines. And so it was very technical, so I enjoyed that a lot, fixing aircraft and that. So my brother-in-law was a manager for a company up in Northern Virginia doing residential heating and air conditioning. And so he told me about it. I thought, I've always had a little bit of an interest in how does heating and air conditioning work in a home. In heating and air conditioning, the air inside the home gets sucked up through your filter and it runs through the system and then it blows back out these ducts to your supplies. And that's how you get conditioned air in your home. So like this is a supply here. So you see this now, but you don't see this when your home is finished. This is all behind the scenes sort of thing. What this would look like when it's finished, you'll have drywall. This is the ceiling to the second floor here. And then all you see is a little metal register right there that's blowing air out. That's all you see. All this stuff is up in the attic. And so when your home's created, unless you actually take an access and go up into the attic, you don't ever see any of this stuff. What's really cool is we've got to coordinate with the other framers and that and make sure we have something called a chase. So this is a run that was designed or left available for us to be able to run a duct from downstairs or from upstairs to downstairs. So that goes through the floor into the first floor. And this is how we get air back and to and from the system that's all the way up in your attic. And you don't see any of this. This is all, because this would all be drywall here. So this is behind the scenes as well. And something that most people don't have any idea is behind their walls. What I love about my job is that I get to interact with a lot of different people. There's just so many different things that you can be a part of in heating and air conditioning that most people don't really know about. Really, most people, all they know is whether their heating or air conditioning is not working in their home. And so that's when they say, okay, well, I don't know what heating and air conditioning is, or I don't know what's wrong, so we got to call somebody. So you get to come out, you get to listen to homeowners and hear, what their issues are with their home, and be able to take all that into consideration and be able to figure it out, and then to be able to fix it and to coordinate with the homeowner and get it taken care of, and really being able to make a company work and provide for others. It's just really interesting, all the different pieces to that puzzle that you get to put together every day. What I love about the home building industry is that you're building something from nothing, essentially. I mean, it's really cool to see just a plot of land that was trees or barren or something of that nature, and watch it transform into an entire community.